Hi, my name is Sanjay and I take care of retail and commercial business based at ITO Business. Let me take you through the last year versus this year figure, and this is basically target versus achievement figure starting from April till September onwards. As you see, retail has been growing from the last year till this year, and these figures we have been projecting or planning for the months to come, August and September. Commercial, yes, you can find that there is a dip over last year versus this year, and rather from the targets. I'll tell you the reason why it has dipped. Retail, yes, we have grown starting from April to September. Overall, we have grown over 20% over last year. Commercial, as I said, we haven't grown majorly because of few clients. I'll tell you later on, but overall we are down by 21%. Retail H1, if we talk about, yes, we have grown over last year, and it's around 21% growth. Commercial again, target versus achievement, if you go, we couldn't grow. The reasons I'll tell you. Snapshot, 77% of the targets we have achieved. 1.20 is the backlog from the commercial from the previous months, out of which retail has given some boost up, and we need to achieve 1.18 more. Now the reasons for shortfall, majorly the commercial clients, of which Vishal Megamart is the major player. As you see, 73% downfall in spending over last year with Vishal. So it has given a major downfall for us. After Vishal TT, bestseller, today these all are almost not advertised so far. So they have overall, because Vishal is having huge base with us. Now, what worked with the retail is we have been able to bring many new clients on the board in this financial year. As I told you earlier also, that these clients are the English centric clients. They were not advertising earlier with us, and we pieced with them. We will able to convince them, and they have advertised. They have already been printed, and so is the growth in retail. Biba, Vineet Saris, Sabus, Kumardeep, Forties. Would like to say, we have done a very good innovation with Forties. It's a 4-page supplement GNP paper we have done. They have done the same activity with Times of India in English and with us in Hindi. So it's a new innovation and new things in our board. Madame is again a new client. Sargam is again a new client. Sagar Ratna, as I said earlier. These all are the new clients which have been in the board for the first time in the retail category. Manhattan, Meena Bazaar, Amba. For Meena Bazaar, I'd say, they were not even ready to give us the appointment also. Now, as I told you, the backlog were majorly from the commercial categories. So, yeah. So the plans is basically to conversion of new clients on the board, and of course, we will try to increase the yield, and we expect activity from some dormant clients. Glazed feature, as I said, we have already done with the 40s. We have been planning to do with the more with the retail clients, and integration will be there. Now, what we need to do is we have to do a big breakthrough like Vishal, and more focus will be there in the retail categories. If everything goes well, then Vishal will be in this month around 80 lakhs of business. So we'll be able to cover up backlogs. Thanks.